Hey guys, how's it going today? I hope everybody had a great week so far. I have a question for you.
Huh?
You know StockX, right? The marketplace to buy and sell things, the market that most people use for a price comparison, the ones who have been sued by Nike for selling fakes. Yes, I'm sure by now you've heard the rumors. People have been getting fakes on StockX. Have you ever thought to yourself, I wish there was a marketplace that also had authentication services? Well, now there is. If you haven't heard of the big dog in town, there's a new marketplace where you can not only buy and sell, but you can also authenticate your items via their authentication services. This new site is called Poizon, and today we're going to be comparing Poizon and their user experience to StockX and their user experience. So let's start off by looking at the app interface. Here is StockX, which I'm sure you've seen. StockX is nice because it's like a stock market. You can see prices, sales, a chart of price history. So if you're a reseller, this is a lot nicer to analyze market data. And then when you jump over to Poizon, it's more like a shopping experience for a consumer versus the selling experience that you get on StockX. You can see the last sales on items, but it doesn't give you a graph. One thing I do like about Poizon over StockX is the ETA it gives you for your item right away, instead of having to get all the way to the checkout to see that information. Poizon also gives you a slideshow of pictures for the item versus a 360 view that StockX gives you. Now, this is, in my opinion, where Poizon has StockX beat. Poizon has in-app authentication services for free. So let's say you're out in the streets like I was in my last video, buying and selling pairs in person. You can make sure that the pairs that you're getting are good. I've personally used this service previously when I got a questionable pair of Bread 4s off StockX. If you want to see more about that video, I'll link it right here. Anyways, it's a great feature to have built into a marketplace in my opinion, and that's what makes the app more useful than the StockX app. Now, we're going to go ahead and order a pair of shoes off StockX and off of Poizon and compare the shopping experience. So I just ordered my pair off StockX for $199.74 in total. This pair was ordered on March 25th, 2024, and the pair was finally delivered on April 1st, so that's about 7 days total with Easter Sunday, and this is the pair itself. This is the Race Allele SB Dunk Low. Such a great shoe. Now let's review the Poizon shopping experience. I placed my order on Poizon March 31st, 2024, and I only paid $150.14. So off rip, the pair was cheaper for me than off StockX. Then I got it delivered on April 9th, so it is 2 days later, but once again the shoe was cheaper on the app. Here's the shoes. Once again, great looking shoe. In conclusion, I think StockX is centered more towards the seller, whereas Poizon is centered more towards the consumer. As far as a buying experience, I would much rather order off of Poizon than off of StockX. What do you think? Have you ever used Poizon to buy and sell shoes? Is it something you need to download? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend.